Hi everyone, Amit Patel once again. So this time I came up with one recommendation for you guys. So when I started learning machine learning, artificial intelligence, before that, I thought like machine learning and this artificial intelligence somehow is related to brain and the neuroscience, etc. So I thought like I should go through some like this kind of courses about learning on the neurons of your brain and something I was thinking. But that is not, when I read about machine learning, that was not the thing. But you don't require any kind of that knowledge to be good at machine learning. You only require maths and computer science, like basic programming, right? To understand machine learning. But anyhow, like I took this course, which was on learning, how learning takes place in our brain, about that, how what are the better methods which can be applied to learn better or something. So this was a general course, but I am very thankful that I took this course at that time because it helped me to learn really hard task, very hard topics just like machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, etc. And any kind of like even like helped me in my semesters and everything. This kind of learning really helped me. So this is one of the top courses from Coursera. So there are only the two most top courses in Coursera. Is first is Stanford machine learning course, which I've already described you about this guys, and second one this one we call it Learning How to Learn by Barbara Oakley and the Terence Sorojowski, something is like that. Okay. So this course was really good. It taught me how to learn anything in a better way. How can you? So this course told us about what is our diffuse mode and what is your focus mode. So diffuse mode or something is like that when you like, brain is like a computer. Like you have to assign a problem to in your head. Like you have to think about a problem really hard and then let it go to work on itself. Like you start doing other household chore or start driving and suddenly an idea pops up in your head. This is something you please go and like look into in detail. It is called diffusion mode and focus mode. It has been like described greatly detail in this course. Second was chunking. Chunking is like breaking a problem into a small parts, so that way you will learn better. Like you can like progress little by little without even feeling hard. So I'll talk this chunking about like in the last of the video. So yeah, second one, another was like how we procrastinate and how our memory holds something for a longer time. What is a short-term memory? What is a long-term memory? And these all things. How to get rid of a procrastination. There a lot of matter has been described in this course, like Pomodoro technique for 21 minutes. How you have to give your interval, rest interval, and everything. Right? So there is a lot of things which are described, which is very essential for a student. So this will help you to learn anything in your life, any hardest subjects. So the writer over here, which is basically from a language course. She used to be teacher in army. Used to teach languages like Russian, English, and everything, right? But when she discovered these all techniques about learning, she became a very good math professor. Like she became really good at maths and everything because she followed these learning methods, and like this is like very cool stuff. Like it's a like a trick guide to like learn anything in your life. I would highly recommend it. So yeah, there is a lot of methods which you can read about it. So one of them which I remember and which I've been using for most of time is chunking. Chunking is like breaking down. This chunking I have learned about it, but I seen the practical use case when I was like working out in the gym. So when I started working out that time, one thing came across. This term is called progressive overload. Just like how we try to increase lift a weight little by little. Like when you go to the gym, you start with 10 kg or something, right? As time passes, you increase the weight by 12 or something, then 14 or 15, right? Try to increase, but sometimes there would be a time when you are not able to increase the weights. So that time you come up with repetitions, like you increase the repetition or something, you increase the angle of your bench or something so that you can make the exercise harder or something, right? So that way the key point is you have to progressively overload your hardship, right? You have to break a problem into small chunks, and once you're done finish with one chunk, then try to go in the other chunk, and like this chunk should be should, in the terms of hardship it should be greater than the previous one. So this builds the foundation of learning in our head. even with the exercises, right? If you just start lifting slowly and try to progressive mode each time, your body will adjust and it will grow. Similarly, our brain cell does the same thing. So when you try to learn anything, try to break down problem in small steps, and make sure that the next step should be harder than the previous one, and you gradually progress. In the end, you will learn everything, right? So this is very important. Like when I was learning machine learning or deep learning or maths for machine learning, I broke down my task into very different chunks, and I achieved chunks one after another, and after some time I was able to grasp those things, right? I was able to understand the hard equations and everything. So yeah, this course really helped me. I'll share the link in the comment section or in the description part. You can go easily check this out, and it really helped me. Not this course will help you in the educational stuff, but also if you're an athlete or you're working out or you're trying to learn some new craft or some language, it will definitely help you there. It will help you to retain longer things, memory mapping and everything. So you will learn a lot of cool tricks to like perfect your learning. So yeah, highly recommend it. Please do check it. Okay, that was it guys. Thank you.